What's going on, everybody? So I thought I'd make a little video on DraftKings. If you guys haven't been following my channel, you know that I've been talking about DraftKings realistically since we've been kind of down here in this $44 to $48 range. The reason for this video, actually, before I get started with the video, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give me a like on the video, and then when I'm done with the video, if you could leave me a comment, let me know if you're currently holding or trading DraftKings currently. But just to kind of get into, the technical analysis here, I do have the daily chart pulled up. I do have this trend line, this white line that I've drawn across my chart here, 5604. The reason why I drew this trend line is you can see here going back to 6/9, okay, the date of 6/9/21. This is the highest candle in the whole range here. We came up, tested it once. This was the upper Bollinger Band here. We got rejected, pushed all the way down to lows of 44 and an absolute low of 42, where we did find a little bit of a bounce area, pushed back up. But you can see the rest of the moving averages here on my chart. There was a lot of supply ahead. So definitely long-term going forward, at least until the end of summer, fourth quarter, I was really looking for the breakout here of 5604. We do have a little bit of supply here at 5539. So what I'm currently looking for here on DraftKings from, a swing perspective, and maybe if you're holding DraftKings long-term, is I want to see us hold and close above this $56 area. As soon as we do that, I'd like to see when we do get a pullback or back testing of support, I want to see if we can start to hold this whole area here, which is this 55-50 area. This area previously was acting as a level of resistance. So I want to see if DraftKings can sort of turn this into a level of support. If we get this first back test, and let's say, for example, DraftKings pushes up 56.5, 57, and then we get a little bit of a pullback into 56, 55. Do we get that bounce off of that area? If we do, I would be pretty confident to say that rolling into the fourth quarter, we could be at the start of a new channel here to this $65 supply, which is going to be a fantastic trade for anybody looking to swing trade DraftKings, anybody looking to take profits. If you're currently holding, obviously you're going to want to hold for a runner. I think in 1, 2, 3 years from now, DraftKings will be well over $100. So definitely if you're in anywhere in the 30s and the 40s, you want to hold on, but nothing wrong with taking a little cash flow and treating yourself out to a night out, perhaps a nice dinner or something with the gains here. So that's a look on the daily. If we do look up the hourly chart here, more so for day traders and people who are actively trading this stock, we are a little extended right here, right now. So I would not want to buy into this candle here at 55.56 unless you're scalping. Obviously, highs right now are 56.42. So we're definitely looking for the break of 56.42. But if you are looking to play this on a bounce, possibly for a scalp or a day trade, we want to see a back test of 55.28 and even 54.39. That is going to be the rising support of the 5-day and the 10-day moving average. So this is more so for day traders. If I get into some of you guys who are scalpers and looking to scalp a move off of DraftKings, you can see we got this big ramp up, 1, 2, 3 green candles, a little bit of consolidation, took out this consolidation here, and have kind of just been, algo treading higher on DraftKings. So currently we're stuck in the range of 56 and 56.42. If we're looking for a bounce on a possible scalp, we are looking for a bounce off of the 56 area. If we do break down below 56, next area that we're looking to bounce this stock is going to be about 53 or 55.93. Obviously, the 50-day on the 5-minute chart is going to be our strongest level of support, which is going to be about 50% of this big move higher. Anytime you have a stock that moves up this much, especially intraday, any kind of pullback, 50% of the overall move is great. It's what you want to see. That level is going to be 55.33. If DraftKings decides to come back and backtest 55.33, this would be an area where you're going to want to bounce this stock. But going forward, DraftKings looks very, very strong. Overall, the market looks very, very strong. As of today, market's overall kind of resting. Huge move on the NASDAQ 100 on a lot of the tech stocks yesterday. So they're taking a little bit of a breather today. Some stocks are still moving up. Facebook up another $3, Team up another $2.86 from the Discord call out, so forth and so forth. But just going forward, I want you guys to keep an eye on DraftKings.